that one side. Gosh, bro. Where are we at? We picked up power.
Picked up 13 horsepower. Picked up 13 horsepower.
All that.
I was only in second gear there.
Oh.
I was just scared.
Oh, okay.
Should I go to the same gear as before?
You got him.
Yeah, for
All
sure.
right.
All right, I was running back.
I mean, it's making power.
I mean, it's definitely still making power. Let's say
It's making power.
Yeah.
All right, hold on.
Got a lot of pressure in the coolant system right now. She's blown clean out. She is blown clean out.
Dude, I mean, it made 300